Hello. Today we are going to run you through starting a trial for any of our business or corporate products that can also be extended to our home users as well. The first step is to make sure that you have an Acronis account. If you do not yet have an Acronis account, you can create one as part of the trial registration. Otherwise, make sure you check out our video where we run through the creation of the account to get that piece all sorted out. Now, to start a trial is very simple. We begin with acronis.com for your individual region. There's a couple of different ways you can get to this page. I can come underneath products. That then gives me a drop down where it sorts it out for businesses, for home, and I can come through and try them here. There's also the other opportunities if I wanted to look at specific products. So I could come into our all products page here. Today we're going to start with Acronis Cyber Protect and we'll start a trial here, but this process would hold true for Cyber Protect Home Office, Acronis Snap Deploy, or any of our corporate or home user products. I'm going to come to the product page here. Inside of this page I can find some great information about the product itself. But if I come underneath and hit the Try Now button, this will take me to our trial page. So as I come into the trial page, it's picking up that I'm actually already logged in. If you were not logged into your Acronis.com account, it would prompt you to log in here. It's going to ask you for some basic details. So, telephone number, it's pulling this from my account here. What is my purpose of the downloading the product, right? So am I reselling it? Am I using it at home? Or am I using it at my company? What is my company name? So in this case, Acronis. What industry are we under? So I'll come underneath and say, hey, we're a technology company. And how many employees do we have? So I can come in and say, the correct number of employees there. Now, if I needed to, I could change my account. So maybe if I had the wrong account up here at the top and I wanted this trial to start with a different one, I could click that change account. Otherwise, I simply hit update. That then will automatically activate and provision a trial for your account. So we'll give this just a moment while it's provisioning the trial keys to us. So now that I've provisioned that account and provisioned the trial, it takes me back to my account.acronis.com page. Here I can see that we have unlimited of all of our different types of workloads that we offer protection for, as well as 1 terabyte of cloud storage that's included with our Cyber Protect trial. You'll notice here that every aspect is telling me it's in a trial mode, and that's all it takes to get a trial started. Initiating that trial, a couple of clicks on the website once you have your Acronis.com account. That's the key to getting it all going. Once you're ready, this can then be used to sync down to your account. Thanks for the time today. Keep an eye out for more videos coming up in our product series.